You go kill me, you go kill me. I'm telling you, man. You go kill me, you go kill me. For my money, you won't kill me, Abi. For my money, you won't kill me, Abi. Oh, you kill me now.
See, I go kill you, man.
Hey. They can't be Abi. Me. Now me they can't be Abi. Me.
I'll collect the money.
Hey. See, if you don't die, eh? If you don't die, eh?
Thank you.
I heard. It spread like rumors. I could not believe it until now. So it's true. After so many years. Williams, look at you. I mean, just look at your beard. The muscles. Especially your eyes. You look so different.
Different? Of course I am now a different man. You have a beautiful place here. I hope you don't mind if I take a walk around and have my eyes filled.
Oh, feel free.
Thank you.
I'll have your meal quickly prepared and served. Then after you can rest your bones, because you have a lot to tell me.
Sure. sure I have a lot to say. Well, meanwhile, I think pounded yam and vegetable soup mixed with okra and a very big stockfish. Yeah, big stockfish like that of Mami Yazoo. I think it will gladden my sobbing stomach. Thank you.
It's true indeed. This is no joke. Only Williams will order for pounded yam, vegetable, okra, and Mama Ya's stockfish. Williams is back for good. In spirit, soul and flesh. Oh dear God. This can't be happening. Not now. Why now? What have they done to him? Oh, please. I want him in the right state of mind. I've never been this confused in my entire life. Oh, please, I know you can hear me. Please help him. Help him the way you've been helping me. Please. I'm not asking for too much, am I? Please don't touch anything, I'm coming.
I have already damaged the handle.
But I said don't touch anything.
You know, at first I thought I wouldn't find my way to this place. The direction was quite confusing. And you know the stupid Dikeh riders around here. Bastard refused giving me my change. Huh? You used to see the way I beat the hell out of him. No. Let him. I am talking to you, sir. Please, let him go. We all have gone through a lot on this place, sir. We have right to as citizens of this country. Sir, this is inhuman. This is inhuman. Please let him go. No, 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 no! Don't touch me!
Okay, it's just a dream. It's okay. It's okay.
A dream?
Yes.
It's a dream.
Yes.
I'm sorry I scared you.
It's okay. It's fine. Just go back to bed. Fine moves you got there. Though I never knew you to be a boxer.
Ah, change, I guess. Yeah, you know what they say? That change makes a man. Yeah. So tell me, you are they pretty good enough to take out the undefeated Anthony Joshua? Huh?
Not yet. Maybe I'm handsome enough to beat up a keke driver.
Oh, come on, please don't go there. But at least it could attract an audience. Yeah.
Maybe a little bit of flexibility will make it perfect.
You always have the right wall to throw back.
Please still really practice before you could get school.
Alright, I will. I'll join you soon. Come on, hit me, man! Yeah. Come on, you bastard! Ah! Honey, you wouldn't enjoy this movie from a distance. Okay? You just have to come close. Yeah.
Don't worry. That's fine. Be tight. You're having fun already.
Yeah, sure, I am. You know, It feels good to be back home. It also feels warm to live back my life again in the arms of the woman in whom my heart is pleased with. Baby, I missed you. I miss you so very much that every day of my life I never missed praying to God to have my life back. Yeah.
I'm overwhelmed to have you back.
Are you sure you don't want to join me? It's fun, you know. It's more romantic having you sit beside me while we watch our usual series. I miss that too. So please, come and sit.
It's okay. I wish I can, but I'm stressed out. And I wouldn't want to bore your lovely moments. Besides, we'll have all the time in the world. So, it's fine. Like you said. Well, good night. I'll see you in the morning.
Good night. You see, the big elephant stepped on the foot of the greedy tortoise. Then the tortoise screamed, "Hey, buju, 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 buju."
Oh my goodness! When did you become such a comic storyteller?
Well, it used to be one of our favorite stories we share too. It's the pains of the dark. Yeah. We count our Lenten days with the hope of beholding sunlight. But unfortunately, that we will be awake to behold bodies litter like shattered seed.
Oh my God. You went through all that?
Yeah. Yes, I did. The hope of you and I counting the stars while we sit on the mountain. The sparkling lightning in your eyes. The equally smiles on your face kept me strong and alive.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
No, you don't have to be sorry. I am here for you. Come on, Rebecca, come back here. Hello. Rebecca, open up, please. Open up and let me in.
Just go away. Leave me alone.
Rebecca, I am not leaving you alone. What is wrong with you? What is your problem? Whatever thing you are passing through in the inside, you can let it out. Please. I want to share in your pains.
Williams, go away. I'm a coward. I was scared of the moving hands of time.
What are you talking about? Talk to me! Baby, you know how much I love you. And I know you know that I can do anything to put smiles on your face. Can you please open up and let me in? Okay?
William, just go. I want to be left alone. Just leave me.
I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving you alone. And nobody's gonna change that. If you're not opening this door, I remain here and I sleep here.
If I were you, I wouldn't like that talk. It's unhealthy.
And why did she become a nun? Or would I say a doctor?
He used to say those fine words to Ricky and you.
Nothing changed about you. Nothing. Just that you've been keeping things away from me. You've been acting so wild. Crying almost every day since my arrival. What is going on?
Williams, everything has changed about both of us. And besides, a lot has been going through my mind since your return. But it's not what we'll talk about right now.
No. We need to talk about it now. Rebecca did not pray my way out from the dark just to have you act this way. No. No! Come on, baby. What is your problem? Talk to me. Don't channel my thoughts into something negative. Because I have gone through a lot already. I beg you.
Everything is fine. And please, channel those thoughts of yours into removing those things off your face. Babe, I'm not fine at all. I'm not. My greatest nightmare has come to a reality. Yes, and my worst fear and concern is right at my door knocking. I know you won't understand, but please, can you come over?
Ta-da-da! Come on. Come on. Take a look at me. And tell me what you see.
When I first saw you,
Wow,
when I first met
you look handsome.
I can't wish for more.
Courtesy of you.
Holding you close to me. I can't let go, don't want you. I can't love you less, but want you more. Can't you see we are meant to
I don't really
be?
know what to say.
Can't you see you're my number one? I feel distracted without you. I wanna kiss you.
But in everything, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for the clothes. How good I look in them. The shoes. Even the cell phone. I do really appreciate it. And thank you for waiting patiently. And I know you know that I will always bounce back.
You always have what you want. And I believe in you. So tell me, where you're off to?
A 2-day visit to Nigerian Wiki. You know, since my return, I've not been there.
Oh, that's nice. Since you've been indoors for a while now, it's okay.
Yeah, but I've been indoors and you've been taking very good care of me, so no complaining. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate it.
It's nothing.
Come here. Yeah, come. Stand.
Can you stop doing this to yourself? Look, you're taking this too far. Sweethearts, trust me on this. Starving yourself, crying, looking so unkempt, won't solve anything at all. It won't. You have to.
The bull by its horn? Babe, come on. I can't even look into his eyes. And whenever I do, all I see is a burning flame waiting to be unleashed.
Then you just have to summon all the courage you have. You need all of it. Look at me. Look. None of us can change what has happened. Not even him. No. Promise me you'll do what is right.
Which is?
Trust in your instincts. And you need to finish your meal. You need that to boost your physical strength. So when the punch starts coming right at your face, you can stand for it. Now eat. Finish your meal. Go on. Move it. Move this thing. Sit up.
What is it?
I noticed the wall in the bedroom is empty.
Like, seriously? You're asking that?
Oh my goodness. You're such a drama queen.
My dear, I would not be breathing right now if he has seen those. And besides, Williams he's no longer the gentleman you and I used to know. He's now violent, smokes, drinks. As if he knows when death will hit his feet.
That means he must have gone through the hell of a burning flame. Baker, you need to be very careful so he doesn't pierce a knife through your chest in drunkenness.
I really wish this is not happening. There is no part of me you will find happiness right now. Just like the wind, it is gone in the blink of an eyelid.
Okay. Enough of this. Snap out of it. Look, I know you'll be fine. You'll be fine. I know that. Okay, come on. Time to go inside. No. Go to bed.
No.
Let's go inside.
No.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Go.
It's part of the telly.
Don't worry, I'll push it off. Go. Inside.
Hold on.
You're cheating. You're cheating.
You let me hold on now. I'm waiting for you.
Okay.
Check. It's a lie. It's a lie. Wait. It's a lie. Come on, like that.
I know. We both don't know if he has heard it, if he knows the truth. Birds fly, you know. Birds fly, and the birds have ear. But nevertheless, nothing has changed. Just do what I've told you to do. I know everything will be fine. Everything.
I will.
So help me God.
I'm really going to miss you. I'm really going to miss your warm company. You've really been a source of strength to me, and I appreciate so much. You're a friend in a sister's clothing. And I appreciate everything you've done for me. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Aww. I love you. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
I don't want you to go.
I know, but I need to. Don't worry, I'll come back after now. Come on, let's go. Cheer up.
He would stand just like this, forcing his eyes through a tiny hole, admiring the rising of the morning sun. Then at night, he would stand at the same spot, admiring the full moon. He did that for 9 years and 11 months. Then on the 12th month, when he was to be a free man, when all his silent wishes will be heard by his lover, he
what?
He died! Yes, he died! He died of a deadly disease called leukemia, cancer of the blood. And all his wishes were buried with him. And his lover? She moved on. She moved on with another man from the gossip we heard. Rebecca, are you frightened?
A little, but I'm fine. Okay.
No. You are not comfortable with my story. Is there anything you want to let me know? Do you have anything to tell me?
Anyways, your food is in the kitchen, but you would have to microwave it.
See how beautiful and charming you have become. Life is total darkness without you. To every dark, I have wished to behold your moonlight again.
And I've waited every moment, listening to the wind, staring deep into the flowing ocean, praying the waves strike in my path. And indeed, they brought you to me. But it was already too late. Because I'm long gone.
No. Rebecca, you can never be long gone. And it can never be too late. Yes. Rebecca, you should have waited. You should have waited.
I did. I waited. But 10 years was just unendurable. My hopes got shattered. And the pressure was too much, and there was no calls or messages from you. I waited.
Don't. Rebecca, don't you ever lay your throw any hands on me. Rebecca was jailed for a crime I know nothing about. It was your brother's crime. And I stood for him in the dark dungeon, saving his ass for 10 solid years. And all I ask in return...
Will I wait? And to it end our hands joined in holy matrimony.
But you never waited. Rebecca, you never waited! Ah! 10 wasted years. 10 wasted years! Ah! 10 wasted years. Ah! No! No! See my mama, tell her, say, oh, I dare for please. I no get family. If you see my mama, Hosanna, tell her, say, oh, I dare for please. I no get family.
I'm sorry. I'm really very sorry. I never wished for all this to happen. I loved you with all of my heart. I love you to the very end of the earth. I have always.
You love me? Rebecca, you are a liar! Liar. You are a beast. A beautiful demon. That is what you are. A cheat. And an ungrateful moron. So, all this while, I have been living under the shelter of another man. Rebecca, you took my love and sacrifices for stupidity. Rebecca, you betrayed me. You betrayed me, you traitor.
You wouldn't put all the blames on me.
You traitor of the highest order.
I tried. I waited.
You didn't wait long enough. You never waited long enough, Rebecca. Stop talking to me. Get out. Get away from my side.
I prayed every day to the morning flame, heading to the skies to keep you safe. for the priceless price you paid for my brother. For my family. They were on me. And with no option left on my path, I had to move on. Williams, I know we can resolve this amicably without anyone getting hurt anymore. Please.
Your family? Your family never considered what I was going through in the prison before pushing you into the arms of another man. Rebecca, you are all betrayers. That is what you are and your family. Just get out. Get out of my sight. Get out! I don't want to see you. Get out!
I'm wrong. I am ungrateful. I've caused you more pains than happiness. I've failed your trust and love for me. But I'm sorry. I'm sorry from the deepest part of my heart. Please, Willie, I know there's a way we can resolve this peacefully. Please.
There will be no peace. There will be no peace for you, your husband, and your entire family. There will be no peace until you are back to my arms. You talk about love. Come on, you don't know anything about love. You don't. So don't you ever lecture me about love. Never again.
I waited for 7 years, hoping to read your handwriting. I went to the prison countless times, but no one to give account of your existence. I stayed untouched for 7 whole years, wishing you could cuddle me from behind, but there was no sign of you. What do you expect I do? For 7 good years, my life has been a mess.
If you could wait for 7 years, 3 years is not a better excuse.
I'm a woman, and I wasn't getting any younger. Not hearing from you made us believe you were dead. So,
There was no week I did not write to you. No weekend I did not write letters to you. Until one day I got to know that none of those letters was posted. Because the family of the victim paid huge amounts of money that zeroed my existence with hard labor. So you wouldn't blame them for the pains your brother have caused them. Your brother who is in abroad now enjoying his scholarship. I moved on. I moved on because I know 3 years. 3 years is just a stone throw. Rebecca, I waited for 10 solid years without the touch of a woman. Without the feel of a woman. Because of you. You're telling me you stayed 7 years. Just get out! Get out of my room. Because I want to rest. Tell me!
Who is there? Williams. Williams, is that you? Williams! Williams, please turn on the light. It's just beside you. I know you're hurt. And I am to be blamed for everything. Williams, I know you can hear me. You're making my life a living hell. Please turn on the light. Please. I know you're hurt and your heart is filled with hate for me. But I also know that there's a part of you that still loves me and holds strongly our memories. Please, Williams, please. Williams.
Rebecca, I know I've been harsh to you lately. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the sleepless night I caused you. For all day. Please, give me a place in your heart to forgive me. Okay?
It's okay. I hold no grudge against you. I should be the one apologizing and not the other way around. Williams, from the depth of my heart, I'm really very sorry.
Rebecca, you are a fool. You are a fool to have believed that I will be sorry, or a mere apology from you will be quarterly compared to what I went through out there for the stupidity of love. You must be a fool.
Williams, you've lost your mind.
Lost my She said, I've lost my mind. Williams, you have lost your mind. Now, I'm going to show you what a man who loses his mind does. Just wait. I will show you what a man who loses his mind does. This is what a man who loses his mind does. This is what a man who has been betrayed by his lover does. Now get out. Get out of this room before I will use this hammer on you now. Get out!
He's back. Williams. He knows. He has lost his sense of reason. And I'm scared. My husband. Mom, you know the nature of his job. I can't tell him now. And besides, it's not a fun conversation. It will be unjust I involve the police. No. No, I can't leave my husband's house.
When the sun rises, the beauty of the stars fades away.
I know, but I tell you, taking vengeance won't heal that broken path in you. Please don't hurt me.
Shut your mouth. I'm hot. I'm hot. Rebecca, I am hot. I am hot like a broken glass littered on the floor. And it's impossible to pick its broken pieces without leaving a few. Rebecca, look at you. Your brother is abroad enjoying his scholarship. And you are happily married. And your husband smiles in another man's pain. It burns me that I never got to hear you mourn in my bed. Sometimes you are a born loser.
What do you want? Just take your prize of walking away and you will have it at your feet. Please don't hurt me, please.
What I want? What? I want. What I want. She said what I want. She said what I want. Sorry. Sorry. She can't afford it. Hey. Calm down. You need some? You care for? When I smile because that is one thing you will never understand.
Which is?
How much I love you.
It's been 2 days Williams left without a word. But where would he have gone to? Maybe he has left for good. No. That's impossible. Oh my God. What's he up to?
Hello. Is anyone home?
Hey, sweetie.
Hello. Missed you so much.
I missed you too, but I wasn't expecting you this soon.
You see, I just wanted to take you by surprise. Like, never missed me.
Oh, please, really.
Sweet. Blessed Virgin Mary. Sweet. You look like hell. What happened? See, I hope this has nothing to do with how much you missed me.
Really? Silly you. Just a little stress here and there, nothing much.
Stress?
Yes.
Stress in this house? Sweet. What happened to all our wedding pictures? On the wall?
Cleaning. Yes. I was cleaning, so I had to remove them. Yes, I was cleaning. No.
Like,
and
seriously?
that's why I'm stressed.
Like, seriously?
Yes.
It's okay, let's go in.
Let me get it. I'm going to make you something delicious.
It's gonna help you.
Don't worry.
Why is my baby still awake by this time of the night? Crying? Come on.
I'm not crying. I'll be fine.
I know.
Sometimes in life, someone has to face his or her fears and say to it, I will get over you. It's just a matter of time.
That sounds inspiring. But I would like to hear the full gist at all. But as of now, just go to bed. Just go to bed. My curiosity has already done. Come, let's go to bed.
I love you so much.
I love you more. It's okay. It's gonna be alright. Okay.
So babe, tell me, how many more days do you have left in it before going back?
Next week?
Next week?
Yeah, next week.
And it's already weekend.
I know.
Hey, you know I'm trying.
Yeah, I know.
This your job, it's kind of...
Hey. You know, this job puts food on our table, pays our bills, and it's still going to be paying the delivery bill soonest. Come. It's also going to make a promise that this time's trip is not going to take me out for too long. Just promise from my heart.
I hear.
Here. So, talking about our baby, what name are you going to be calling our little boy?
Well, it's going to be a girl. But if it's a boy,
Okay.
I'll call him Williams. I'll call him Williams.
Williams. Bishop Williams. It's okay, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Sweet.
It's you.
Yeah, it's me. Who else?
You scared me.
Yeah.
Why do you always like doing this thing from behind?
Sometimes the behind gets better.
Hmm.
So, how's your day like?
Just there.
You know what? I called the doctor said he can come around.
Wait, please, call him. Tell him I cannot make it up today. Maybe tomorrow. That reminds me. Babe, hope you've not forgotten what you're supposed to pick up for me at the market.
No, I haven't. In fact, they even called me and then I told them I'll be coming back later in the evening. Maybe on my way back from the barista's place. Or just branch by, just have them picked up. So,
I'm so tired.
just like that. Just like that.
Mm-mm.
Just like that.
fine. The baby is kicking. Yes. He's fine. He should be downstairs walking as usual. Yeah. I haven't heard from him since he disappeared with the word. Mom, I'm scared. I think he's up to something. Stanley! Babe, is that you? Stanley! Who is there? Stanley! Sorry, Mom. I thought I had someone knocked. Yes. Mom, I don't think it's relevant to tell Stanley about Williams. Yes, since he's gone already. So there's no need. Mom, don't worry, I'll be fine. Good night. I love it. No, please. No, please, no. Please. Please, no.
From daily, remember when I first saw you, when I first met you. I can't wish for more, but holding you close to me. I can't let go, but want you. I can't love you less, but want you more. Can't you see we are meant to be? Can't you see you're my number one? I feel distracted without you. I wanna kiss you, hold you close to me. Let me be the one you loving all day long. Be your first and your number one girl.